Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be using avocado to make my today's video's beauty regimen. Avocado is rich in potassium, vitamin B, vitamin E and fatty acids, which helps reduce skin inflammation and can help repair the skin's barriers. The natural oil in avocado can penetrate deep into the skin, helping it to soften, hydrate, and remove flaky patches. Okay, the next ingredient I'm going to be using in today's video is my honey. I'm going to be using natural honey. Honey is a natural exfoliant which removes dry dull skin, and reveals new cells underneath. So I'm going to be using a little portion of the honey. And the last thing I'm going to be using is yogurt. The lactic acid in yogurt helps kill bacteria and remove blemishes while boosting hydration level of your skin. So these are the three things I'm going to be using today's remedy. Okay, so I'm going to be using a small bowl, and I will be just making a very tiny little so I can store away and use later tonight for my face. Okay, so I'm going to be using this little jar to store away my mixture. So in mixing the mixture, I will be cutting up the avocado into half. This is the avocado right here. So I'm going to cut it into half right now. Cut it up into half. Okay, so I put it on the cutting board. It has a seed. You actually want to make sure that you are using a very ripe avocado. This avocado I've been sitting on my kitchen counter for over a week, so it's very ripe and it's ready for for consumption. So I'm going to be using it. It has a very natural oil in it. So I'm using just a little portion of this avocado. I'm not going to use everything from this half portion. It's something you can eat also. I do eat it. I just put some in my mouth. Okay. So what you want to do is to actually match the avocado. To match it, you just simply go in and match it with your spoon or fork. Okay, because it's already super soft. So it's very easy to put together. So here we are. Here we go. It's mashed. Mash it really well. So there's no need using blender or anything. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use is my honey. So I'm going to combine it with honey, add some honey to it. So I'm just going to use half a teaspoon of my honey. This is half a teaspoon right here. But because I use less than half of my, I only use a quarter size of my avocado. So what I'm going to do is to actually just go ahead and put like a quarter of a teaspoon of honey into it instead of half. Okay. Okay. That's a quarter of a teaspoon. So I pour it in. I want to make sure that I get everything, and I don't want. Okay, so now I have my honey. I have the honey, and I have the quarter of my, the regimen actually call for half of the avocado and half teaspoon honey, but I'm using a quarter of each of the ingredients. Okay, so I match everything together, mix it well thoroughly, and then I'm going to go ahead and open my yogurt. This is a brand new yogurt. Okay, and this is a plain yogurt here. So I'm going to go ahead and use a quarter of my teaspoon also of the yogurt. Since this is clean, it just has some honey in it. I'm going to go ahead and dig into it. This is my yogurt. So I'm using a quarter of the teaspoon. Yogurt will also lighten your skin too. So it's not only going to fight bacteria for you, it's also going to lighten your skin. Okay, so I'll put this away. So what remains now is for me to go ahead and make sure that I mix everything together. Right here. So just mixing everything together, make sure that it's all mixed together well. So I'm just trying to make sure that I have all my things together well. So I'm just mixing everything together. I want to make sure that they all blend together. I may have to put a little bit more honey into it. So this is going to actually, once you combine everything together, it will lighten your skin. It will make your skin looking radiant, supple, glowing, and beautiful. Once you mix everything together really well, please just go ahead. I'm going to put a little bit more honey. I'm going to add a little bit more honey to it. Yeah. I don't feel comfortable with the honey I put. I think it needs a little bit more. So just go ahead and rub this on your hand. I'm going to, in order to put it on my hand, I'm going to use a brush. You can actually use your finger, it's okay. But before I put it in on my body, on my skin, I'm going to go ahead and store away some of it that I can use later tonight on my face. And this is all edible. You can put this on your lips also. And leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. It depends on how you feel. If you want it to last longer, if you want it to work more, so leave it on for a longer time. And then, okay, here we are. So I have it stored away because I'm not going to be able to use it right now. I'll use it later in the day. I have a leftover that I'm going to put on my hand for you guys to see. Okay, and I'm going to be using my brush, my favorite brush. I love this brush. So I'm going to be using my brush to put it on. Right here. There we go. So you just rub it on. I'm going to put some on my... So it's going to leave your hand, your skin subtle, radiant, beautiful, and lightened, and also glowing. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't leave this channel without clicking on the subscription button, and also share the video so that everybody can benefit from it. This is going to remain on my hand for a while. I'm not going to wash it for now, so I look forward.